Today I'm going to share 4 creative ways to stretch your text. After opening a new project, go to text and type in your text. After typing your text, change the font to Fatimi. Now your text will instantly appear stretched. You can further elevate the stretch effect by increasing the size of the text. Okay, so now let's move on to the second way. Delete your previous text and add in your new text. Go to fonts and change your font to Archival Black. Once your font has been changed, increase the size and download this image as PNG. Now delete your text and upload your image. After uploading the image, select crop and select freeform. Now as you increase the size of the text, it stretches automatically. Stretch it as much as you like and adjust the inner square too. Now once your desired results are achieved, select Done. And that was the second way to stretch your text. Now moving on to the third way. Go to Apps and select Type Craft. After selecting Type Craft, type in your text. Now after typing your text, scroll down and select Custom. Don't forget to select horizontal, and now you can adjust the dots to stretch your text. Stretch it as much as you like from the top and from the bottom. Select Add to Design and your stretched text is ready. Now moving on to the fourth one. Now go to Elements and search for letter frames. Search for your desired letters. I am writing hi here, so I have selected H and I. Now for the frame, you can simply stretch the frames like I am doing here. To add color to your frames, go to Elements and type black plain background. You can add any color you want. Select this black square and fit in the frames. Fit in H and fit in I. And your effect is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more such videos.